Hi there and welcome to another video. In this one, I'm gonna show you how I did this look, obviously. My inspiration today was this look by Divina Muse. Mine is a little bit softer, but I guess this is how I intended it to be. At least that's what I'm gonna pretend. I really like her. She puts up amazing content and such amazing and creative looks. That's everything I have to say, so let's get into the tutorial. Today I went for just a bit of concealer and powder as an eyeshadow base, and I am gonna use my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and this is the only time I'm gonna lift it up like that. I'm gonna use this shade, this dark gray, and this as a transition. This is broken, I have to fix it. I'm lazy, I know. It is what it is. So I'm gonna start with the dark gray shade. I'm gonna pick it up on a Morphe M506 brush. This is basically gonna be a softer, smoky eye with that beautiful glitter thing that I did in my inner corner, but I'm gonna start with the darkest shade, which is this gray, and I'm gonna pack it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm placing it in some sort of an angled shape, so I'm bringing it towards the center of my lid, but only close to my lash line, and then going up as it reaches my outer corner. And I'm also gonna place this gray on my lower lash line. But again, I'm starting from my outer corner and then bringing it inwards. And then I'm gently blending this out by doing little circular motions. I like my lower lash line and my top lid to be connected here in my outer corner, so I make sure that the eyeshadow is kind of continuous. Kind of like that, and I'm creating a little extension in my outer corner. And now I can really blend it out with that transition shade, and I'm gonna take it on a Sigma E25 brush. This is gonna be my lid shade as well, so I'm starting from my lid, and then I'm also gonna bring it up into my crease, and then blending, extending the eyeshadow towards my temples, and also blending the lower lash line. And since that gray faded a lot, I'm just gonna take my previous brush and intensify it a bit more right here. Whenever I'm doing a smoky eye, it's just a back and forth between my brushes. I didn't apply any more of that transition shade, I'm just making sure that the blend is flawless. That very pretty shade that I use in my inner corner is from the Magic Mini palette from Juvia's Place, and it's this gorgeous duochrome blue and purple shimmer. I love this shade so much. It's just so special. It depends on what angle you look at it. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's purple. It leans a bit more purple, but it definitely has some blue shifts to it as well. When I saw this look, I instantly thought about this shade. I think it's perfect. And by the way, the brush is from Juvia's Place. It's a small definer brush. And as you can see, this is not that glittery, it's just a shimmer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick my Fenty Diamond Bomb. I've been using this as a mirror the entire video. It's now time to use it on my eye, and I'm gonna pick it up on my finger. This is pure glitter. It's so beautiful. I think it's such a versatile product. It's nice for the eyes, for the face, for the chest as well. It's really special. So it's gonna be some sort of a topper for that shimmer, and it adds this beautiful glitter. Let's see if I have glitter fall out, just a bit of it. Then I'm gonna define my waterline with a black pencil, and I'm using this one from Maybelline. It's the Tattoo Eyeliner gel pencil. I think they have a liquid liner that has the same name, Tattoo Liner. I'm gonna apply this all across my waterline, as well as adding a little bit of that right in the inner corner. And I'm also gonna line underneath my lashes. This adds a nice definition on the base of the lashes and kind of makes them look a little bit fuller. And And I'm gonna have an attempt to set this so it doesn't bleed. I'm gonna pick up a bit of that dark gray and I'm gonna go over the waterline. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use my trusty lash curler, I think, in this department. In the lash curler category, I think anything works, really. I don't really see the point in investing in an expensive lash curler, but maybe that's just me. I've seen people saying that it makes a difference which lash curler you're using. To me it doesn't really. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with this one, so that's good. I'm using my Sky High mascara from Maybelline to finish off the eye look. I did my face makeup off camera. I think it's getting a bit repetitive doing my face makeup on camera all the time. It's just, I do the same thing every time, so if you're constantly watching my videos, that might be a little bit boring. I'm gonna apply the mascara on my lower lashes as well. For the lips, I'm going for a nude, of course, and I already started applying this lip pencil. It's from NYX, it's the Nude Truffle lip pencil. Nude Truffle is the shade. It's the perfect nude shade. I'm gonna do some sort of a filling in with the same pencil. And then I'm gonna finish off with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Pearl. Oh, I love this product. Look how lovely the shine is. That is everything for today's video. I hope you like the look. It's a little bit simpler than what I usually do, not as intense as my most recent looks. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!